Hello guys, welcome to Trails of Hope. So let's make a DIY coffee scrub for your loved ones. This is how it looks, and these are the ingredients. Pretty basic. So I'm just gonna add some grinded rice and coffee. Rice is gonna give you a smoothened skin, and coffee is really helpful in stretch marks, and coconut oil will seal in the moisture. So pretty good scrub. And this is some essence. This is just for fragrance, it's optional. It just gives a nice fragrance. This scrub is really good after, like, before shaving and stuff, so you can definitely give this to your friends and everyone. This is my failed attempt to draw a heart. And yeah, I'm just gonna take this empty old jar, just recycle it, and you can also decorate it with other things. I've just done the basic part. And this end thing looks weird, I know. Trust me. Transfer it, and this is the final product. It's super smooth. It just gives you a smooth skin. So do gift this and make it, and do share it. So let's make chocolates. Who doesn't love chocolates, right? So this is how they looks. It's so tasty. These are the ingredients, and I've crushed Oreos and nuts.
One eternity later.
Yeah, just keep on stirring it all through the video. I've just stirred it. And this is me being messy. I'm sure you guys can do it much better than me. I am so messy. I'm just adding those nuts in, and then on top of it, the chocolate. I actually add the Oreos inside the chocolate. That would give it a smooth finish. And I thought this one would be really perfect, but no. I've no expectations from me anymore. And boom. These are ready, and they're so okay, so tasty. So do make these and give this to everyone you love. These are super easy and super tasty. Thank you.